Hi friends, welcome to MDA workshop. So today we are going to do an amazing experiment on Coca-cola versus Mentos. So here is our 2 liters Coke and here is our Mentos. So let's get started. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, so like, share and subscribe to MDA workshops. For more this type of videos, please subscribe and like. So friends, I think this is a crazy video on YouTube. So for 30 likes on this video, we are going to do Coca-Cola in this pipe with the biggest blast ever on YouTube. So now go and subscribe to our channel and like with this video. So thanks for watching MDA workshops.